Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are simplifying the complex financial concept using Python and machine learning. And this today's video we are diving into the how to implement momentum strategy using Python and machine learning. And this will generate buy and sell signal for stock trading. And if you have been looking for algorithmic trading strategy, this video is definitely going to help you. First, let's quickly define what momentum strategy is. Momentum investing is a strategy that involves buying securities that have had a high return over recent period and selling security that had a poor returns. In simpler terms, you are betting this stock with a strong recent performance will continue to rise and those that have been underperforming will continue to fall. And this approach is widely used by traders and investors. But how we can automate this strategy? This is where the machine learning and Python comes in. So here's how we're going to break down the process in the next step. First, the data collection. So we'll use Python to collect historical stock data. Next, we'll create the features based on momentum indicators such as price momentum and relative strength. Next, we'll build a machine learning model to predict whether a stock will go up or down based on the momentum indicator. Finally, we'll use the prediction from our model to generate buy and sell signal. So let's start collecting the historical data. We'll use the Y Finance library, which allowed us to download stock data directly into Python. And here's the code to get the data. First, we need to install the required libraries. If you have not already done, you can install pip install by Finance to download this. Let me run this cell. And next, we are going to download. So let me quickly remove the output for all cells so you can start over. Yep. And let me download the data. And let's see the first 5 records. So we are starting from 10 years, starting with 2015 to 2025. So this key will give us, this has given us the data frame with the stock high, open high, low close, and adjusted close price volume. And let's move on to calculating momentum indicators. So in the feature engineering for momentum strategy, there are various indicators we can use. The two popular ones are rate of change, ROC. It measures the percentage change in price over a specific period. And next is the relative strength index, the RSI. It measures the speed and change of the price movement. And let's start by implementing this in Python. So for we are creating two functions here to calculate the ROC, rate of change, and this will calculate the RSI. Now we have two key features, and let's add those to our data. So this will call these functions above and add those into our data, and let's see. So now we have created two key features, ROC and RSI. The ROC tells us how quickly a stock is moving, and the RSI shows whether the stock is overbought or oversold. So these features will help us to predict the price momentum. Now it's time to apply the machine learning. The idea is to use the momentum indicator to train a model that predicts whether stock will go up or down. So we'll use the random forest classifiers, which is the type of ensemble learning method, but you can also experiment with other models like decision tree, logistic regression, and or even neural networks. So we'll first label the data where 1 means the stock buy and 0 means the stock sell. So let's me load the libraries and calculate the target variable. And next we'll drop the any missing values. And so this is the feature, the ROC and RSI, and Y is the target, whether the price will go up or down. Next, we'll split the data using the train test split by keeping zero point 0.2 as the test data set. And this part is we'll start the model. And now let's train our fit our X train and Y train. And let's do the prediction of on the X test. So I don't accept the good accuracy of 0.48, which is very average. But this is how you calculate you fit the model and you calculate the accuracy score. So we train the model on the features and then we evaluated its performance using accuracy. If the accuracy is satisfactory, you can move on generating the buy and sell signal. So now if your model is trained, let's use it to generate buy and sell signal. We'll predict whether the price will go up or down, and if the model predicts an upward movement, we generate a buy signal. So we add prediction to the data. So we add prediction column here to the data, and next generate the buy and sell signal. So we are using the lambda function is to calculate if x is equals to 1, then the signal is buy, else the signal is sell. And let's see our final data set. So in this, so the tail means currently the price of the Apple stock is at the sell category. And there you have it. We have seen how to use the momentum strategy with the Python and machine learning to generate the buy and sell signal. So you can further improve this model by experimenting with more advanced features with different machine learning models or even integrating it into a live trading environment. So remember, it's just a basic framework. The stock market is complex and no model can guarantee success. But this is with the right adjustment and proper risk management, you can build a robust trading strategy. And this is just a very basic high level overview of the momentum strategy. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.